Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome to my channel for Creation. Today I will teach you a very special 3D text effect that is called cartoon 3D text effect, and I will do this by using 3D options, but this time I will choose some different approach by a working path and all that. So let's see how to get this type of work in Photoshop CC. So firstly, make a new document by going to File, New. I want 1366 768 resolution 72. Click on OK. I want text here, so put your text here. Like I want this. Now position it. Choose this and go to options of text. This is right. Okay. Now I want to convert it to 3D. I will not do by clicking on their new 3D extrusion, but I will do convert it to path. Okay, now you have seen this path. Now go to path, then this is my path. Now double click on there. Now save this path, Arun's creation path 2. Now click on OK. Now go to this path selection tool, click on there and select this A character, Control T, then right click on there, then this dot. That's fine. Similarly R, right click on there, then click on distort. Like this. Similarly U, and make sure it should not overlap each other. Right click on there, sorry, Control T, then distort. Similarly N, Control T, distort. Now Z, Control T, distort. Now Control Z, select all. Now go to layer, then make a new layer and fill it with any color you want. I want this red. Now this is my path selected. Now go to 3D, then you have this new 3D extrusion from selected path. Now click on there. That's fine. That's really fine. Now this is my 3D. Now I will go to 3D environment. Now I want something bevel, so select this layer. This is my text layer. I'm in the 3D environment. Go to this bevel. I want 6 bevel 6. I want. Okay, now go to 3D, then now go to this inflation material and all that. I want to dark extrusion material, so select this extrusion material and on diffuse panel click on there. I want dark red. This is my extrusion material on the behind of this red color. Okay, now select this front inflation material, click on there and go to this icon, then edit texture. Now click on OK. Yes, I want to edit it. Now again go to essentials, go to path. This is my path, and click on there, control click on this path, then you have the selection of the text. Now go to this, select this and go to layer and make a new layer and fill it with, or you can press Control J, you can press, right click on there, blending options. Now set its blend mode to gradient overlay, and I want to blend it to overlay. Set its blend mode to overlay. Now click on OK. Now close this. Now we have to save this. Now very nice light on this. Okay, now again select this layer, go to this essential. I want 3D environment. The layer is already 3D. I am only changing the environment. Okay, now select this layer again, then go to 3D, and I want split extrusion. Now click on OK. Yes, I want to split extrusion. Now I can choose this character one by one on the single layer, and you have seen this, that each character has its own inflation material and bevel material and all that. So still we are working on the same layer. We don't have so many layers. So this is the beauty of this split extrusion. So go to 3D. Okay, select this. I want to position A. Now we have these all tools. Now I can set the position of A. Now I want to make it bigger. So this is the position I want of my text. Now click on there, click on view. Now I want to change the view, something like this. Okay, click on there. I want to make it something like this, small, and I want to position it click on scene. Now I want to move it up something like this, so that I want a gap in the shadow. So click on the light, set the position of the light what you want, and I want 50% softness of this shadow, and I want to increase the light as well. Now this is the text I want. I'm ready with the text. If I talk about the light, okay, now go to scene and move it up, something like this. So later on we can change the position. Now go to 3D, and this is the position and light as well as the shadow I want. Now go to 3D and do it render, and it will take time. So I'm ready with the text of 3D. Now right click on there, go to rasterize 3D. Now I want to rasterize it. Okay, now I will choose this, make a new layer of this, or you can do Control T to make it small. That's fine. Now go to this background layer, then blending options. I want gradient overlay, radial. I want reverse it, scale it, reduce the opacity simply. Now go to this gradient, move the white points so that I want more white in the center. Double click on there, so I want to make it small. So choose this something like this color, very close to white. So position it's, that's very nice. Now click on OK, click on OK. Now we are ready with the text. Now select this layer. I want to make it more blur, this shadow. So select this layer simply and choose blur directly and apply this blur on this shadow. And if you want more strength, then do like this. Or you can select this. So go to filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. Click on OK, Control D to deselect. Now you are ready with that text. So cool. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and keep in touch with us on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Even you can subscribe our channel. So thank you friends, keep watching Arun's Creation.